Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your account and apps are ready. Open the app you want, tap Sign In, and enter your Microsoft 365 email and password. If prompted, choose Work or School versus Personal so you get the correct policies. Once signed in, allow required permissions so syncing and attachments work. Make sure to set a device passcode or biometrics when asked to meet organization security rules. This avoids access problems and keeps your files protected while you continue setup. Once done signing in, open OneDrive and enable file sync so documents and photos back up automatically. In Word or Excel, tap Account or Settings to confirm you're signed in account and enable auto save to OneDrive for real-time saving. Add Teams or SharePoint by installing and signing in to access chats and shared sites. Make sure background app refresh is enabled so notifications and document updates arrive promptly. This keeps collaboration seamless when you switch between apps and devices during the day. You finish by testing core features. Send an email in Outlook, open a file from OneDrive, and save a change in Word to ensure auto save worked. If something fails, go to App Settings to force a sync or clear cache and then sign out and back in. That often resolves token or permission problems. If issues persist, reboot your phone and reinstall the affected app. This eliminates corrupted state. If problems continue, contact IT or Microsoft support with error details and timestamps for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.